ILLUVIUM on the daily chart. Very nice strong move to the upside. A couple days ago I reviewed this chart. Let's go back to it real quick. Let's talk about it. ILLUVIUM on the daily chart. We got a nice pullback over here. I'm going to start to map out my 𝗪𝗔𝗃 support. Look at other pullbacks are similar in dollar amount. I'm going to start to use this pullback right here. Pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. That'll be my first price relationship. Next I'm going to use this pivot high, pivot low. I'm projecting to this recent high. That will be swings in the same direction. Finally, I can use my Fibonacci retracements, clicking from that pivot low to pivot high. When I make this pull, we have a 382 retracement that is overlapping the two 𝗪𝗔𝗃 support work that we just did. Jumping down to an hourly chart, taking a quick look, we have price currently trading below that 200 moving average. We are establishing a series of higher lows. If you want to go long, just be patient. Wait until price really breaks through above that 200 moving average and uses that 200 moving average as support. And right now, it's just finding some resistance right at that price level. Jumping back out to the daily chart. Wait until that price gets above 200 moving average in the hourly, not financial advice. From there, you can position the size correctly, but setting your stop below this pivot low just in case ILLUVIUM goes against you. Take your small loss and move on to another chart. Coming back to this chart, we want to jump down to an hourly chart. Want to discuss this a little bit. On the hourly chart, price got up above this 200 moving average, continues a series of higher highs and higher lows, and that would have been your entry right there. But whatever you do, you're setting your size correctly, but setting your stop below this pivot low. So where do you go from here? If you're in this trade right now, you can use that 8 moving average as a guidepost. So if price starts to come down, you're locking in the profits along the way, right? Now, if you are looking at this chart, you want to jump in. What you want to do is do not chase this new recent high. You want to make sure you want to have the next set of pullbacks, the next set of 3 price relationships. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.